Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for knowing my emotion and feelings about which kind of subject I would like to teach. So, as well as my habit, I always tell about it. Every day is
Special day.
a special day. So today is also a very special day, but it is belong to state history. Okay, 1948 and 2002 is a very important day. I shall tell you later. Okay, after finish the chapter. Now we start a chapter belong to chemistry. Portion organic. Okay, ready? I hope everybody know about it. Few ideas, basic idea about organic, because organic is very important part of chemistry. Organic is very important part of chemistry, because all
Living
living
things.
things are directly connected to organic. Look at there. And commonly we known the chapter which are belong to organic as hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. So we have to discuss about hydrocarbon in detail. I shall tell you about which are the beginning of the hydrocarbon, which various basic things related to hydrocarbon, like derivatives, functional group, okay, alkali, alkyl compounds which are related to hydrocarbon. And I think the chapter belong to class 10. Which name?
Compound.
Carbon and okay, good, very good. So first we have to know about hydrocarbon. We have to know which main compound, which main elements combine the hydrocarbon. Which main elements are always used while forming any compound of organic. These are carbon and
Compound.
hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. So we have to know about first the characteristic of carbon and hydrogen. Okay. Carbon is tetravalent atom. Okay. You know tetravalent? Tetravalent means which have two capacity for share how much electron? 4 electron. These are the structure bonding like carbon. Okay. Like this kind of. If make a one single bond, then two double bond. If make double bond two side, and it make triple bond one side and single. That means conclusively have to complete four bond. Okay. So it is known as tetravalent atom. Now we have to know about few basics classification of hydrocarbon, because it is the start of organic chemistry. It is basics and you have to know about it briefly. Ready? Master. First, make the classification of hydrocarbon. Hydro. The basic first two types of hydrocarbon are open chain and closed chain. Open chain and closed chain. Open chain generally known as aliphatic or acyclic acyclic. Ready? Closed chain have two types: alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic and aromatic. Okay. In alicyclic, there are also two categories. Okay. First, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now in alicyclic, okay, there are also three subcategory. Cycloalkane, okay, cycloalkane, cycloalkane and cycloalkyne. In aromatic also two types, okay, first benzoid and non-benzoid. These are not in class 10, but we have to know about it, because while you know about basic things in class 10, then not any kind of difficulty faced by you in 11th or 12th, like other competitive examination, you could feel better, okay. Non-benzoid. Now saturated have only one type, it is known as alkane. Alkane is also commonly known as a special name, you know, paraffin. Yes, paraffins. Alkanes is also known as paraffins. And unsaturated hydrocarbon are two types, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, these are olefins. Yes. Okay. So, would you like to write down note on your notebook or not?
Yes.
Hurry up. Now I continue the class which is belong to the topic. Okay. Where is the roster? In 1948, a very lot of huge incident happened in Independence India. Independence India. Operation of Polo. Operation of Polo. It is the operation annexation of Hyderabad by our first Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So I hope you all note down the basic ideas about it. Can I erase it? Okay. 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 I will explain in Hindi also. Okay. Bilingual. Okay. Organic chemistry, that means कार्बनिक रसायन, ये केमिस्ट्री का हिस्सा है. इसमें हम लोग बेसिकली तीन पार्ट पढ़ते हैं, फिजिकल, इनऑर्गेनिक, ऑर्गेनिक. तो ऑर्गेनिक में से जितने भी हम लोग पढ़ते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन, बाकी फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स और उसके एप्लीकेशंस, केमिस्ट्री यूजेज इन एवरीडे लाइफ, है ना, पॉलीमर्स, ये सारे केमिस्ट्री के जो हिस्से हैं ये ऑर्गेनिक में आते हैं. इसमें जितने हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन किए, हमने जितने इसमें क्लासिफिकेशन किए, इन सभी को पढ़ना पड़ेगा अलग अलग बारी बारी से, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट while you making a lot of complex compound like starch, glucose, sugar and lot of compound which are belong to organic. A lot of medicines are also used while you making organic compounds. So I hope you have completed the classification. Can I erase that?
Yes.
Thank you. Now we have to study detail about every types which are written there. First, we have to study open chain. Okay.
Yes.
Closed chain are not in the curriculum in class 10. I think it is belong to 11th or 12th. Alkane. Alkane is the part of saturated. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
can you give some example of medicine those are made in organic?
Yes. Why not? Sit down. Like narcotics and non-narcotics medicines, which are analgesics, like paracetamol, okay, penicillin, which are antibiotic. These all are organics made in laboratory. First compound prepared in laboratory is ammonia. Is while ammonium thiocyanate in reacted or heated in the laboratory, then form ammonia. NH2, CO, NH2. This is the first organic compound made in laboratory. After all of a lot of compounds made in laboratory or other processes. Ammonium through ammonium thiocyanate. First alkane, okay. While we study alkane, we have to know about the carbon have only single bond. Carbon have only single bond. And all are the basic information regarding alkane, like general formula. While you make the compound in the group of alkane, in the family of alkane, which members are made in family of alkane, we use general formula. So general formula of alkane is CN H2N plus 2, where N is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, that means we can use from 1. While the bond between two carbon atoms is single bond, always single bond. And in nomenclature, we use as a suffix, ANE, end of the parent name, ANE, like the parent series up to 10, while N is equal to 1, C1, name myth. N is equal to 2, like C2, name it. Similarly, C3, name probe, C4, name but, C5, name pent. It is the parent name, not pentane. While we use like pentane, it is a member of alkane. Okay. C6, X, C7, F, C8, C9, and C10, deck. These are the parent name of organic compounds. First, we use the formula to making the compounds. Okay. Similarly, like we use N is equal to 1. Put the value of N in the general formula. The value of N is 1. Like C1 H 2 into 1 plus 2. C H4. While the carbon atom only 1, then you cannot write, we could not write 1. Only C, because C means C1, okay. CH4, it is the first organic compound belong to alkane family, okay. It is the formula. Now structure. Single bond, all are single bond. This is the structure of methane. Why? Because we use N equal to 1 belongs C1 like meth. While we add the suffix of the nomenclature like ANE for making the member of alkane group. So it is known as methane. There are two type of names, all the organic compounds. All the first common name, first, and second IUPAC name. IUPAC name. International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. And while we making any reaction or formulas to other like conversation, okay, we use always IUPAC name. For commonly general knowing, it is only common name, okay? But while you make structure formulas, we use always IUPAC name. So it is IUPAC name, methane, first member of alkane family. Understood? Now, next, these kind of all the members are made through the formula. Through the formula. Understood? Now we discuss about other members of hydrocarbons. It is only one member of saturated hydrocarbon, okay? Only alkane, only.
Okay.
Another thing, while alkane replace 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 E, and add Y only. Why? Replace E, replace ALK, Y, alkyl. It is another group, alkyl group. How? When one hydrogen carbon, one hydrogen atom, when one hydrogen atom replace from alkane group, make alkyl group like CH3. CH3, it is all are alkyl group. While one hydrogen atom replace from alkane group, make another group is called alkyl group. Alkyl group are always used while you making formulas or compound or reactions. It is denoted by R. Now we have to study about alkenes. Ready?
Yes, sir.
You want to note down? Okay, you can. Yes. Now we have to study about alkenes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alkenes is a member of
Saturated.
very good. First, we have to know basic things, basic ideas about basic information about alkenes. Like between two carbon atom, minimum two carbon atom having double bond, at least one double bond. Like more than two carbon atom, we have to must write only one place double bond. Okay, double bond. Not everywhere, but in single place double bond. It is very important to make a member of alkene family. Alkene family. Now, other basic information. Double bond. First, we have to write general formula. To make a parental compound of the member of family, a alkene family. General formula is CnH2n. It is not start from C1 because we must need two carbon atom. Because I say between two carbon atom, minimum at least one double bond. And while we making one double bond, we need two carbon atom. So it is start from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. Now, few basic idea about nomenclature. We use as a suffix ene. Okay, ene at the end of the parental compound. At the end of the parental compound. Parent name. Parent name. Like suppose we take n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Then we have to put the value of n in the general formula. C2 H 2 into 2. We got C2 H4. It is the first member of alkene family. A lot of competition exams always ask these kind of questions. Okay. So C2H4 is the first member of alkene family. Now it is the formula, or you can say formula or compound. Now structure. Now structure. C double bond C. C double bond C. All the rest bond we have to put down, because carbon have to complete 4 bond. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. How many hydrogen atoms? There are 4 hydrogen atoms and 2, and between carbons 1 double bond. Okay, at least 1 double bond. This is the structure of alkene. Now few basic information more about alkene. While we making alkene from alkanes, we have to use few kind of naming reaction like reduction. You can make alkene member from alkane also. Okay, by few using of catalyst or other reaction, naming reaction. So it is the first member of alkene group. Name ethene. Name how ethene? Because there are how much carbon? 2. And the parental name of in 2 carbon? 8. And we use the general formula of alkene. Then we have to use the word which as a suffix e and in at the last of the parental name. E and in. Ethene. Okay. Ethene is the first member of alkene group and formula is C2H4. It is belong to unsaturated hydrocarbon. And there are 2 unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene and alkyne. Now we have to study about alkyne. Any queries or difficulties you can say. Okay. Have you any question?
No, sir.
Any question? Thank you. Please note down.
That means these are belong to E and E family.
What is say?
These are belong to E and E family.
Alkene family. Alkene. E as a suffix. While we add E, these all are identified as a alkene family. Okay. While we add E at the end of the parental name, it also automatically belong to alkene family. Now we have to study about alkyne family. Alkyne and alkene both are as a part of or type of unsaturated hydrocarbon. I hope everybody noted.
Sir.
Thank you. Now we have to study about alkynes. Okay. Any query? Problems? Thank you. Can I read it? Alkyne. Okay. Ready? I've told you I have to give few basic information regarding bonds. Regarding bonds. while between two carbon atom, while between two carbon atom in single bond, there is a bond which are commonly named as sigma bond, as sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. It is linear overlapping, linear overlapping. While linear overlapping made sharing atoms between two carbon atom and made single bond is commonly known as sigma bond. Okay, it is very important for higher classes. Okay, so you know about it. While between two carbon atom, one linear overlapping, linear overlapping, and one lateral overlapping, lateral overlapping. Lateral overlapping is made a bond formed like pi bond. It's commonly known as pi bond. Pi bond is weak bond, okay, and sigma bond is a strong bond. It is sigma bond. A lot of questions are always asked in competitive examination. We have to identify how many sigma bond and pi bond found in the compound. Suppose C2H4, C2H4. How many sigma bonds and pi bonds in this compound? We have to write as the structure. Then we have to found initially. While you writing the single bond or you observing single bond is known as sigma bond, or while double bond, one sigma, one pi. That means how much sigma there?
One H is left.
One H is left. Thank you very much. Good.
Five sigma bond and one pi bond.
How much?
Five sigma bond and one pi bond.
Brilliant. Good. Very good. 5 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Good. Very good. Okay. These are the basic information which you study in higher classes like 11 or 12. I think I have to give few more information as in advance. It is good or not? Good. Thank you very much. Now we continue our topic. We have to continue our topic. It is not belong to class 10 but it higher classes. Now we have to study about alkynes. Okay. I hope everybody know about understood about pi bond and sigma bond.
Yes.
Alkynes is the member of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and there between two carbon atom must have minimum at least one triple bond. Like there is a lot of carbon atom, more than two, but we have tried only one minimum triple bond. Then we can say it is the member of alkyne family. Alkyne. Okay. What happened? Okay. General formula. Okay. General of alkynes. CN H2N minus 2. Very good. CN H2N minus 2. While number of carbon from 2 starting from 2 3 4 5 H so on. Okay, at least 2 carbon atom we have to need, at least 2 carbon atom. First member, while you put the value of 2 in the general formula of alkyne, now we got C2H 2 into minus C2H2. C2. Anybody know about the common name of C2H2? What is the common name of C2H2? Yes? Anybody? The common name. IUPAC name everybody got about it from while we adding the nomenclatures like suffix. I have to leave first.
Acetate.
Acetate. No.
Formate.
No, no. It is very nearest, but not good. Correct answer. It is acetylene. It is acetylene. Okay. It is acetylene. Now, nomenclature. Nomenclature. While we adding y as a suffix, at the end of the parent compound or parent name. Okay, parental name or parent name. Okay, so we take n equal to 2. That means C2. What is the parental name of C2? It. And we have to add YNE. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have to add
Why?
YNE. That means it made ethyne. It is
Hi.
the IUPAC name of C2H2 is ethyne. And common name? Yes, acetylene. Always ask in Q competitive examination. What is the common name of acetylene? Sorry, C2H2. And how many sigma bond and pi bond in C2H2? Think about it. Come on. We have to make the structure first. C, triple bond C, single bond, and sigma bond. Yes. Sigma 3 pi 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes. There is a sigma bond. There is also a sigma bond. And the linear overlapping is sigma bond. And the sidewise overlapping is pi bond. Okay. These both are sidewise overlapping. Sidewise. And it is known as pi bond. Very good. It is also pi bond. That means 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma and 2 pi. Good. Very good. So this is the first compound of the member of alkyne family. It is the general formula, chemical formula, and structure. It is structure. I have to make once again. It is the structure. So, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. I hope all the parental compound you make like using the general formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Please write down now. बाबू जहाँ सिंगल बॉन्ड दिख रहा है ना वहाँ सिग्मा बॉन्ड है और जहाँ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड दिख रहा है वो लिनियर ओवरलैपिंग यानी बीच वाला वो सिग्मा बॉन्ड है और दो जो साइड वाइज ओवरलैपिंग है वो पाई बॉन्ड है
3 sigma 1 and 2 pi.
हाँ गिन लो 1 सिग्मा 2 3 और यहाँ 1 पाई 2 पाई ये 11th में पूछता है फर्स्ट नोट डाउन Q functional group. Q functional group. Q functional group, which we have to use to making the organic compound. First functional group, alcohol, and symbol is OH. Okay. Second, aldehyde, symbol CH. Third, carboxylic acid, symbol COOH. It is written in compound, not in structure. Okay. Yes.
Please write the definition of functional group.
Okay. Why not? Functional group. Yes. Okay. First, we wrote down the functional groups definition. Okay. I shall tell you. Which groups or derivatives change The chemical properties. The chemical properties of the hydrocarbon while replacing hydrogen atom. There are two types. There are two types of functional group. There are two types of functional group. First, carbonyl functional group, and second, non-carbonyl. Very good. What is the difference between carbonyl and non-carbonyl? General, very basic difference. Like which are we can see in the function group. In carbonyl function group, we can see one carbon atom, at least one in carbonyl function group, like CO. CO is a function group of ketone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
like CHO.
Yes.
CHO is a function group of aldehyde. These are carbonyl function group. In other side, what happened? Non-carbonyl function group. Non-carbonyl function group. In non-carbonyl function group, there is no carbon atom. There is no, like OH. It is the function group of, yes, it is non-carbonyl, but the name alcohol. X is the symbol. It is the symbol of halogen. Of halogen. It is also a function group in which category? Non-carbonyl. NH2, amine. It is also a function group, non-carbonyl. Nitro. Okay, these all are non-carbonyl function group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Thank you very much. Now we have to study one by one every function group while making the compound replacing hydrogen atom from the alkane family or alkane family alkene. All are. That means completely we have to know about while hydrocarbon family, conclusively known as alkene, alkene, alkyl. While we in hydrocarbon family replacing hydrogen atom and adding any function group, the chemical properties of the parental compound are completely changed. Now we have to study one by one all the function group. What is the chemical properties and what are the uses in commercial usage, applications? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everything we have to study. So first function group we have to study today, alcohol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ready? I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So my question is, if from alkane family member, one hydrogen atom, is replaced, then the new group are formed. Is name? Very good. Alkyl. While one hydrogen atom replaced from alkane group, a new group are formed as known as alkyl. These all are open chain. Okay. So first function group is alcohol. Alcohol. ALCCHO. Not H used there. Am I right? When I think ALCHO. ALC alcohol only, not basic information. Basic information regarding alcohol. Regarding alcohol. So first general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Basic information like adding OL as a suffix at the end of the name of alkane family. Alkane, because now we make all the compounds from alkane family, so we have to write alkane. But it is not mean it always make from alkane family. It always make all the compounds which are parental, like alkenes, alkynes. We can make, but study always now today will alkane family. We have to make all the compound of alcohol from alkane compound. Okay. So first basic information regarding nomenclature. Regarding E is replaced and OL is added. That is, we have got ALKNOL, alkanol. It is the general name which all the member of alcohol groups. Alkanol. What? Alkanol. What is the first member of alkane family? What?
Ethanol.
No. What is the first member of alkane family? Methane. Good. Methane. Good. Very good. Methane. Now you replace E and added OL. Then we got methanol. Methanol. It is a general basic information regarding nomenclature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have to add OL and remove E. And add OL for making all the compound from alkane to alcohol. First, and it is from n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, as so on. Now we have to make first compound from alkane group and left compound I will give you as a homework. Okay, ready? While we take n equal to 1, then we got the compound while putting the value of n in general formula of alcohol. C1H 2 into 1 plus 1 OH. CH3 OH. CH3 OH. Okay. Then we put the in formula while we taking n equal to 1, we got CH3 OH. OH is the symbol of the function group of alcohol. Okay. It is chemical formula of alcohol. First member. What is the name? We take n equal to 1. That means C1. C from alkane. And the first member of alkane is methane. And what is the procedure to make the name of alcohol group while alkane? We remove E and added OL. So methane OL. It is methanol. It is chemical name is chemical formula is
CH3OH.
now structure. See, while you making structure and using the different kind of function group, first we have to use the functional group. So first we take all the bond and use OH. Now we will fill of the all the bond from hydrogen atom. This is the structure of methanol. This is the structure of ethanol. CH3OH. CH3OH. Now N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. N is equal to. What is the chemical formula while we are taking N is equal to 3? In alkane group, in alcohol group, while we are taking N is equal to 3, then what chemical formula we got from alcohol group? C3H7OH. And name is propanol. Very good. So I hope everybody understood about it. Any problem? Any query? Thank you. Please note down all these. These are few functional groups. Functional like OH, alcohol, CHO, aldehyde, CO, ketone, O, ether, COO, ester. Okay. COOH, carboxylic X is the symbol of halogen. Symbol of, and the member of halogen are fluorine, bromine, and iodine. Very good. Which is left? Alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, ether, ester, carboxylic acid, halogen. Amine, nitro, and cyanide, isocyanide, cyanide is commonly known as nitrile, okay, and isocyanide, isonitrile. Very good. So these are few basics functional group, which all are not belong to class 10. It is also for higher classes like 11 and 12. But you have to know, because it is good. While we know a lot of information in junior classes, then it is our plus point. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because while we enter in the 11 or 12, it is not hesitate for us. It is very familiar for us. Familiar for us. It is not unknown while you enter in 11 or 12. So look at this, all the functional group, and please note down. Hurry up. Okay, conclude. Alicyclic aromatic. Alicyclic aromatic. Okay. The first member of alicyclic is cycloalkane. Cyclo. These all are belong to closed chain. Okay. Closed chain. Like we write these kind of structure. Triangle. There are 3 carbon atoms. How much? 3. And in 3 carbon atom, what is the name? In alkane group, propane. So it is cyclopropane. The structure like this, it is cyclobutane. And it is cyclopentane. It is cyclohexane. Now aromatic. First member of aromatic is benzene. Is benzene. In benzene, alternate single bond and double bond. Alternate single bond and double bond. And in aromatic, it is R-benzoate. Okay. And another type is non-benzoate.
Benzoate.
Non-benzoate. Like naphthalene. Like
Naphthalene.
naphthalene. And anthracene. These are non-benzoate. Naphthalene and anthracene. So thank you very much.
Thank you.